Malfunction. When something is not working properly. The washing machine is malfunctioning. My remote control suddenly malfunctioned. Short circuit. Electrical problem that stops power. The fan stopped because of a short circuit. There was a short circuit in the kitchen. Flicker. When a light turns on and off quickly. The lights started to flicker during the storm. My room light keeps flickering. It's annoying. Leak. When water or gas comes out from a small hole. There is a leak under the sink. The pipe is leaking, and the floor is wet. Clog. Blocked. When something is stopped from flowing. The sink is clogged with food. The bathroom drain is blocked again. Overheat. When something gets too hot. The iron started to overheat. My phone overheats when I use it too much. Run out of. To have no more of something. We ran out of gas while cooking. I ran out of batteries for the remote. Trip. Power. When electricity suddenly stops due to a fault. The power tripped last night. The heater caused the electricity to trip. Loose. Not tight or fixed properly. The door handle is loose. This wire is loose, be careful. Crack. A small break on a surface. There is a crack in the wall. The glass has a small crack. Spill. To accidentally drop liquid. I spilled water on the table. She spilled tea on her clothes. Stuck. Unable to move or open. The window is stuck. My key is stuck in the lock. Jammed. When something is stuck and not moving. The door is jammed. I can't open it. The printer got jammed again this morning. Dirty. Messy. Not clean or organized. My room is very messy today. The kitchen looks dirty after cooking. Broken down. Completely not working. The fridge has broken down. Our washing machine broke down yesterday. Drip. When liquid falls slowly in small drops. The tap keeps dripping all night. I can hear water dripping from the ceiling. Rusty. Covered with rust, old and not smooth. The gate is rusty and hard to open. This old lock is rusty now. Squeaky. Making a high, annoying sound. The door is squeaky when I open it. My bed makes a squeaky noise. Dusty. Covered with dust. The shelves are very dusty. This room feels dusty and dirty. Smelly. Having a bad smell. The fridge smells bad. It's smelly inside. These shoes are really smelly. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.